You too can create an AI influencer, and I'll show you how. Head over to Michelle, click on GPT-4, and ask it to describe the character Santa Claus. Copy the text and move on to create a robot. Give it a name, paste the text in bot definition, and click on Save. Next, you need to create Santa's profile by adjusting the description, tag, and bio. And also add a profile picture. Simply open the chat with the image magician and write your prompt, or even better, tell your prompt. A portrait of Mr. Santa Claus, highly detailed, realistic 4K. For the last part, you'll need to upload a voice or choose a pre-made one and click on Save. Now go back to chat, and over here you'll now have the option to chat with Santa. Just imagine how cool you will look when you tell your little cousins that you have Santa's contact information and can talk with him. To make it more realistic, you can give to bot more knowledge by switching the model to GPT-4 and import URL links so the AI will become smarter and give better answers back in its role-playing. Also, you can integrate the Santa bot into Telegram. Go to App Integration and bind your Telegram. Eventually, it will look like this.